The software has really helped our patients excel more quickly. The auto progression within Learn itself is one of the key features that we love about the system and what it offers. Just a little bit more hands-off in the sense that things can be progressing without the clinician being there to move it along. So I would say just having that for them to excel more quickly is one of the key benefits. I guess the biggest pain point it would have solved was having things in all different locations and data maintenance, managing files where CentralReach, everything's in one spot. Being able to have the parents actually be more hands-on. Sometimes we utilize the sessions, so doing parent sessions where they can actually log in, start a session, collect data, and all of that's reflected then towards the client's progress as well, and having parent participation and part of their treatment. And it makes them feel empowered too, being able to have that tool, just like our clinicians and our BTs have. Working in the autism and IDD field is really rewarding. It's really great to see the successes both in the clients and in how they can acquire skills, independence, how their family reaps those benefits as well. Just the family reporting back how proud they are of the progress their client has made.